QlikView training from A to BI.
Now it's clear.
Hi, I'm Ben from A to BI, and this is my quick intro to QlikView. QlikView is a new type of business intelligence tool. In fact, we call it business discovery. QlikView easily pulls in data from multiple sources, allowing you to get a complete picture of your business. Applications are deployed through a server to your end users, accessed via multiple clients including web browser and mobile clients. Automatically refreshing your data whenever you require, business users now have compelling, engaging and easily accessible business analysis applications at their fingertips, whenever and wherever they need it. QlikView loads your data into memory, making it incredibly fast to calculate and navigate millions of rows of data, and easily scales to handle even the largest of user bases. This allows you to create applications that let you drill down into the detail whenever you need to, and you could even plot your data over maps. QlikView is fully interactive, allowing your business users to explore and discover their data any way they wish. Now let's take a closer look at the user experience. Okay, so here's my QlikView access point. From here I can open any number of QlikView documents. I'm going to start with the Films demo application, and I'm just going to open it using my web browser. Now when we work with QlikView, you simply make a selection on something you're interested in. That selection goes green. Anything associated to the selection you've made is white, and anything that's not associated is grey. So you can actually see the reverse of your query at the same time as the results of your query. And unlike traditional reporting tools, QlikView lets you navigate your data anywhere from anywhere without any restriction. So I can actually select on an actor and immediately see any film titles and any directors that actor is actually associated to. QlikView's powerful associative search lets me search across all of my data all in one go. So as we can see, if I start looking for Woody Allen, I can see immediately listed under actors and directors. And in fact, I can make selections here too. I can navigate back and forth through my selections, and I can clear all of my selections too. Now let's just say I'm looking for a particular director. Well, I can simply search there as well. And selecting Steven Spielberg allows me to see instantly all the film titles and actors that are associated to him. If I then make a further selection, this time on the film title, I'm now saying show me all the actors that belong to both this film title and this director. Now QlikView allows you really to follow your own train of thought through the data. So if I was to select an actor, and now I want to see what else Harrison Ford and Steven Spielberg have done together, I'm not restricted in having to go up and down any particular hierarchy. I can simply remove my middle selection, and I can instantly see all the film titles to which Steven Spielberg and Harrison Ford are both associated. Moving on to the More Dimensions tab, here we can see the selections I made on the previous pages are carried over. So any selection I make anywhere in the document affect the whole document all at once. So I don't have to redo my query on different pages. Now, let's look at another example. Let's say I want to watch a film of a rating of 9 or 10, something from the 90s and the noughties, and I have less than 2 hours to do so. As I'm making my selections, you can see that the application is updating to show me everything that is associated to my selections, and equally anything that's not associated. So in fact, on the list boxes, all my white associated items move to the top of the list, making it very easy to see what is and isn't associated. Now, having a look here at the actors list box, I can actually see that Alan Alda is one of the listed items. So if I was to select Alan Alda, further restricting my queries, and we'll see that there's only now one film title that meets our requirement, and that's Manhattan Murder Mystery. As well as navigating our existing data, QlikView actually lets us enhance that data too, with things like variables and other techniques. In this finance controlling application, as well as a dashboard, and the ability to drill down and look at some detail, we also have a what if scenario tab. Using these sliders to set some variable values, we're actually able to see some immediate changes to our data. What if our forecast revenue increased by 10%? What if our costs actually went down simultaneously? And we can easily switch between the nice graphical view and a tabular view of the same information. Now imagine your sales are in pounds, but your costs are in dollars. Using multiple exchange rates, we can compare our performance to budget. In our table here, we can see that the first column is using the exchange rate that we used to set the budget. And the indicator tells us that for all of our months, apart from the last one, we are in fact over budget. However, if we use the exchange rate at the time the sale took place, we can see that only the first one are we over budget, and for the rest we are now under budget. And finally, we have another slider which enables us to choose a what-if scenario for our budget. What if the exchange rate was actually set to this value? What if the exchange rate was actually set to this value? Thank you for watching my introduction to QlikView, and for more information, visit us at atobi.com.au. Thank you.